Did you know that your future address might be on Mars? Yes, you heard that right. The idea of living on Mars is no longer just a fantasy from science fiction novels or movies. It's becoming a tangible reality, and sooner than you might think. We're closer than ever to calling the Red Planet home, and it's not sci-fi anymore. With advancements in technology and the relentless efforts of space agencies and private companies, the dream of colonizing Mars is within our grasp. From tech-packed habitats to fresh-grown Martian food, here's what life on Mars could really look like. Imagine living in a state-of-the-art habitat equipped with all the modern amenities you need to not just survive, but thrive on an alien planet. Ready? Let's go. The journey to Mars begins with a thrilling rocket launch, a testament to human ingenuity and our unyielding desire to explore the unknown. Imagine waking up on Mars. Picture yourself opening your eyes to the soft, reddish glow of the Martian sunrise, a sight that few have ever witnessed. Your high-tech habitat protects you from deadly cold, extreme temperatures, and intense radiation. These habitats are marvels of engineering, designed to keep you safe and comfortable in one of the harshest environments known to humanity. This isn't just survival, it's comfort and safety on another world. Imagine having a cozy living space with all the comforts of home but on a completely different planet. And it's exactly what NASA and SpaceX are designing right now. These organizations are at the forefront of making Mars colonization a reality, with detailed plans and cutting-edge technology. What's for breakfast? You might be wondering what kind of food you'll be eating on Mars. Fresh Martian veggies grown in high-tech indoor gardens. These gardens are designed to provide a sustainable source of food, ensuring that future Martians can enjoy fresh produce every day. Future colonists won't rely on supplies from Earth, they'll eat food they grew themselves. This self-sufficiency is crucial for long-term survival and thriving on Mars. Imagine harvesting your own meal on Mars. The sense of accomplishment and connection to your new home would be unparalleled. Talk about a whole new meaning to farm to table. The concept takes on a revolutionary twist when you're farming on another planet. Need to get around? Transportation on Mars will be an adventure in itself. Mars rovers will be our main rides, cruising over rough alien landscapes that no one's ever seen up close. These rovers are designed to handle the challenging terrain of Mars, making exploration both safe and exciting. These vehicles are the ultimate explorers, built to go where no human has gone before. They will be our eyes and ears on the Martian surface, helping us discover new frontiers. Think we're alone? Not a chance. Mars will be bustling with activity. Robotic assistants will be our teammates, helping with everything from mining water to constructing habitats. These robots will be indispensable, performing tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans. They'll be digging for resources, doing heavy lifting, and making our Mars mission possible every step of the way. Their presence will ensure that we can build and maintain a thriving colony. Mars fashion? Yes, even on Mars, fashion will be a thing. Think ultra-cool spacesuits that protect and empower. These suits are not only functional but also stylish, designed to keep you safe while looking good. Imagine walking out onto the red terrain in style, snapping a selfie with the pinkish Martian sky behind you. This will be the ultimate photo op, a moment to share with the world. Now that would break the internet. Your Martian selfies will be the envy of everyone back on Earth. And yes, you'll stay connected. Communication is key, even on Mars. Mars will have its own satellite internet. This will ensure that you can stay in touch with loved ones and keep up with the latest news and entertainment. But with messages taking around 20 minutes to reach Earth, it'll be like the ultimate long-distance call from another planet. This delay will add a unique twist to communication, making every message special. Imagine texting Earth from Mars. The thrill of sending a message across millions of miles of space will be an experience like no other. Life on Mars is more than a dream. It's becoming a reality right now. The progress we are making is astounding, and the future looks incredibly exciting. Our journey to become an interplanetary species has already begun. We are on the brink of a new era in human history, one where we expand our horizons beyond Earth. Want to stay ahead on everything Mars? There's so much happening and you don't want to miss a thing. Hit subscribe and join the mission of a lifetime with Fact Planet. Be part of this incredible journey and stay informed about all the latest developments. Curious what else the universe has in store? The cosmos is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Follow and keep up with Fact Planet for mind-blowing space facts and a front-row seat to humanity's journey beyond Earth. The adventure is just beginning and there's so much more to explore.